Imagine telling your phone to plan your entire trip while you sit back and watch. No switching between apps, no endless typing, and no searching through dozens of websites. It sounds like something from the future, but Google says that future has already arrived with Gemini Intelligence. The real question is it the AI breakthrough we've been waiting for, or is it still a work in progress? Welcome to DAMISICOTECH, where we break down the biggest AI breakthroughs, explore cutting edge technology, and help you turn technology into opportunity. Today, we're taking an early hands-on look at Google's new Gemini Intelligence, how it works, where it shines, where it struggles, and most importantly, how this new wave of AI could create opportunities for businesses, freelancers, and anyone willing to learn the skills of tomorrow. Stay with me until the end because the biggest takeaway isn't what Gemini can do today, is where this technology is heading. For years, smartphones have become faster and smarter, but we've still had to do most tasks ourselves. Booking a flight, planning a trip, organizing meetings, or comparing prices usually means jumping between multiple apps. Gemini Intelligence aims to change that by acting more like an AI agent than a chatbot. Instead of simply answering questions, it can carry out actions across more than 40 apps using natural language commands. During early testing, Gemini successfully booked a flight by opening Expedia, searching available options, and completing much of the booking process. That's a huge step toward AI assistants that don't just give information, they actually get things done. But here's where things get interesting. The experience wasn't as effortless as many people expected. Gemini often needed very specific instructions, and simple requests sometimes required extra clarification. It also couldn't remember personal preferences like favorite airlines or preferred flight times. When sensitive information such as payment details appeared, the user had to take over manually for security reasons. This limitation show that while AI is becoming more capable, it's not yet a fully independent digital assistant. Right now, it's more like a highly capable intern than an experienced personal assistant. It can handle many tasks, but it still needs guidance and supervision. One feature that deserves credit is its real-time activity display. As Gemini moves between apps, it shows exactly what it's doing. That transparency helps build trust because you can stop or correct the AI whenever necessary instead of wondering what's happening behind the scenes. However, there's another challenge: speed. In some situations, watching the AI complete a task actually took longer than doing it manually. That's why some early reviewers described the experience as using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. The technology clearly works, but it still needs refinement before it becomes something people rely on every day. If you're enjoying this breakdown, take a moment to like the video, subscribe to Damisico Tech, and let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI to book your next trip without checking every step yourself? Now, here's the part that matters most. Gemini Intelligence isn't just another smartphone feature. It's part of a much bigger shift toward AI agent systems that can complete real-world tasks instead of simply answering questions. Google, OpenAI, Microsoft, Apple, and other major tech companies are all racing toward this future because whoever builds the most useful AI assistant could redefine how billions of people use technology. and that creates opportunities. Businesses will increasingly need people who understand AI automation, workflow design, prompt engineering, and AI integration. Freelancers who can help companies automate repetitive tasks, improve productivity, and connect AI tools across different platforms will be in high demand. Learning how these AI agents work today could become a valuable career advantage tomorrow. So, is Gemini Intelligence revolutionary? Not yet, but is an exciting preview of where technology is going. It proves that AI can already interact with multiple apps and complete useful tasks, even if the experience still needs to become faster, smarter, and more personalized. The biggest lesson isn't whether Gemini can book a flight today, is that our smartphones are evolving from tools we control into assistants that can help accomplish work on our behalf. That's a fundamental shift, and it's only the beginning. At DAMISICOTECH, every breakthrough is more than just news, it's your next opportunity. We don't just follow technology, we help you turn technology into opportunity. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, share this video with someone interested in AI, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities using the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.